How to fix Instagram delayed notification. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your delayed notification for your Instagram app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. So to get started, head over to your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Tap onto your profile on your bottom right. From there, tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Here under how you use Instagram, tap onto notifications. Now in case you have toggled on the pause all button, you have to toggle it off. Pausing all notification will not allow any notification from your Instagram to your device. Make sure you toggle off this button and then tap on quiet mode. If you have toggled on quiet mode, toggle it off. Now if it's still not working for you, you have to reinstall your application after uninstalling it. Long tap onto your app and tap on uninstall. Then tap on OK. Then again head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram and install the application. Just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.